Good morning. Today we are going to solve a problem related to setting out of curve using linear method. So this is the problem which includes all the four linear methods of setting out of a curve. Let me read the question first. Two roads having a deviation angle of 45 degree at apex point V are to be joined by a 200-meter radius circular curve. If the chainage of apex point is 1839.2 meters, calculate necessary data to set the curve by ordinates from long chord at 10-meter interval, method of bisection to get every 8th point on curve, radial and perpendicular offsets from every full station of 30-meter along tangent, offsets from chord produced. All of you can write down this question, so that when I turn the page, you can just look at the question. So the basic data which is given are the deviation angle of 45 degree at apex point. So when you look at this circular curve, okay, this is the curve, right? So the radius they have given as 200 meters. This is the apex point B. This is the point of curvature T1. This is point of tangency T2. Okay. So the deviation angle is 45 degree. Now the very first step is you need to calculate the elements of this circular curve, right? So using this delta, how much is delta? Delta is 45 degree, R is 200 meters. Using these parameters, you need to calculate other elements of the curve. So the first element that we need to calculate is length of tangent. Hope you remember the equation which we learned in the theory part, that is R tan delta by 2. So when you substitute the value of R and delta, the length of the tangent is 82.84 meters. Okay, now you can calculate the length of the curve. Length of curve, which is the equation pi r delta by 180, right? When you substitute the values, you will get 157.08 meters. Okay, hope it's clear to you, both length of the tangent and length of the curve. Now you need to calculate the length of the long chord, right? Length of long chord is equal to 2r sine delta by 2. So when you substitute the value of r and delta, you will get the value as 153.07 meters. Okay, so the fundamental elements of the curve, length of the tangent, length of the curve, length of the long chord, etc. we calculated. So let us mark these elements in the figure. This is the length of the long chord, right? So when we divide this curve into two equal parts, this will be L by 2, this is L by 2. Okay, so this is the capital L value. So this is capital L, length of the long chord. Now the length of the curve is small l, that you got it as 157.08. And now length of the tangent, this is the tangent length T, that you got as 82.84 meters. So the fundamental elements of a circular curve has been found. Okay, now in the question they have given one more data, that is the chainage of apex point is 1839.2 meters. So the chainage of apex point is V, right? The chainage of apex point V is 1839.2 meters. So the chainage at this point is 1839.2 meters. So if this is 1839.2 meters, you can find the chainage at T1, right? How much is chainage of T1, point of curvature T1? From 1839.2 you can deduct this length of tangent, isn't it? So 1839.2 meters minus length of the tangent is 82.84 meters. So you will get the chainage of T1 as 1756.36 meters. So chainage at this point is 1756.36 meters. Okay, now we can also calculate the chainage at T2, right? Chainage of T2 is equal to, you know, the chainage of T1. With that you can add the length of the curve so that you will reach at this point, isn't it? So chainage of T1 plus length of the curve. Length of the curve is small letter L, that is 157.08. So it is equal to 1913.43 meters. Okay. Hope it's clear to you. So before start doing or start solving this problem, you need to find the fundamental elements of a circular curve. So from these two data, that is deviation angle delta and radius of the curve, from these two values we have calculated the length of the tangent, length of the curve, length of the long chord. Okay, chainage of apex point V was given. From that you calculated the chainage of T1, chainage of T2. All these data are required to solve the problem using 4 different linear methods. Okay, hope it's clear to you.